From a plumber to a bench switch.
Same sir. Same sir. Bricks from brick. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog, go find it.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's about TyrekeReacts aka the reaction. So back with another video for you guys. Right now we have Wake Up by Kush and Drew Tobin. Mr. call the man cKush. By Kush and Drew Tobin. And then I say right now song Wake Up because what go on. We open a Wake Up already, you see me? Yeah man. We open a Wake Up because right now reaction boss for now. Touch down in the airport. Like up the video, drop some comment, drop some fire emoji. Because what's happening for the song right now. Subscribe to the channel, and before the video you begins, please go follow my Instagram at TyrekeReacts. We're trying to reach 10k followers on Instagram, people. Make it happen. You see me? We are like 4,000 away. Make it happen. Run tune! Yeah. Pause. Let's see if we never do this, man. We could do it right now. If you all didn't do it this morning, let us do it right now. Say thank you, Lord. Come say with me. Thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning. Say it. Thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning. Run tune. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. I mean that. Bumblecleat, I mean that. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Every single day I'm a routine that. I never just wake up and go back to sleep. I never just wake up and sit down and watch TV the whole day. No. Hustle. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Go on. Go find it, dog, go find it. Hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog, go find it, dog. What? Get money. No second hand, my brother don't take. And double five on my. I think we don't know now. We don't know. See, especially we don't know now. We don't lyrics them now. If I have some bumbuck belt meaning bad in the lyrics them now. I don't want to talk about right here, so I don't know. Why put my father in hey. Unless my father means something else in a Guyana I don't know about. Because now so last word a Guyana there. Boy, let me run back here to some cars. Go on now. Bye bye, bitch. Say, on my father don't take. From a plumber to a bench switch. Same sir. Same sir. Bricks from brick. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog, go find it, dog. What? Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep. Go find it, dog, go find it. Don't play with money, I can't sport. Boom! See him, sir? What? From my wake up morning. Yeah. Coming. Then it. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. You can't just do the course and coming back again, but because I go for Kush first again. Voila. Play. It's my. No. Hit this morning. Think of ways. It's money. The man said from him wait this morning, he's thinking of ways how to make this money. I mean that. But you see me that to all my life set up. This is the information I don't even know about me, but to all my life set up, brother. I made sure that I have numerous ways of me going out there for making money, for hustle. You understand me? I say, so me can just wake up and say, no, sir, this me I go today, or that work I go do today, or that one I go do today. You understand what I'm trying to say? I can wake up today and say, no, sir, just me focus on YouTube today, and so post I'll tell you for then one day. I can't do it. I can wake up a day and say, no, say, yo, I go out to say, you know, I use my car and make some money today. I go out the sun. I go up on a 9 to 5 today. I go up on juggling today. Make your life sit up that way so you can go hustle people. You see me I say? Yo, grand tune. Numerous means of income. Make sure you have numerous ways of income. Don't have one job. No, that not work. Make sure say I don't know why I'm telling you this that, but if you say somebody need to hear this. Make sure if it's there one thing in your life, brother, have numerous ways of income. Don't come sit down on one job. Say you have a career. No, you have it good, happy, good. Buy one car and rent it out. Buy a house and rent it out. You understand? Open one shop. Have 4 ways of income that in a dog. Alright, run tune. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog. Go find it, dog. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep. Go find it, dog. Go find it, dog. Yeah. Cheat. Cheat. Yeah.
Just broke hard style. One way to wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat.
Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog. Go find it, dog. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Wake up, hustle, sleep, repeat. Go find it, dog. Go find it, dog. Wish I made an instrumental from you. You know the instrumental from somewhere. Find it, dog, go find it, dog. No, well, I guess me sing ya, man. You think I'm toxic? I'm not toxic, man. See me sing ya. When I see you, all I see is fuck. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Put your body in a 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's me and you. Yo! Put him in a 1, 2. When I see you, all I see is jumping.
Feel the blood rush, the pussy pumping. Feel the heart beating, my pussy dumping. When I see you,
all I see is fuck.
Get the F out, now you're left with
hey! Hey! Girl, I gotta fuck you. She don't feel like wait. She just need it now. She just want some dick. She just need mud. She don't feel like wait. She just need it now. She wants something. Yo, Kush. What? I don't want my love. Fuck my God. Sat boy. Take off it all. It's better than that. 50 seconds like you need to Snapchat. Hey! She don't feel like wait. She just need it now. She just wants some dick. She just need it now. She don't feel like wait. She just need it now. She just wants. Hey! She does. My love got the pussy pulse. Hey! My love. My love. I'm telling you this, man. Reaction boss gone.